Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be installing my spider headlights on my 2011 Ford Raptor. So let's go ahead and get into it and open this box. So this right here is what they look like. This will be going on there. So to install the headlights, you're going to want to push in right here in the corner and wiggle it out at the same time from over here. Once you do, they'll just pop out like this. Finish popping it out, you're going to want to take out all the wires and all the bulbs. And it should look like this. Bunch of loose stuff everywhere. And now you're ready to install your new headlight. So once you have everything plugged in, you're going to want to take some black tape and secure everything down to make sure everything's going to be good. Now to put them back in, you're going to want to do the same thing you did when you took them out. You're going to push this in and slide them in. Once you have them on, this is what they should look like. This right here is what it looks like whenever the projector's on. And we're working on the second one right now. This right here is the finished result once you have them on.